Good morning, dear children. I will take your maths classes this week and I am going to teach you a new chapter, that is subtraction. Suppose your mother gives you 4 pieces of cake and asks you to keep it in the refrigerator. But you get tempted. So you eat one. And you are left over with only 3. So what we do? We subtract or take away 1 from the total number. So in the chapter subtraction, we are going to study about the properties of subtraction. Then we are going to subtract 3-digit numbers with borrowing and without borrowing, and subtract 4-digit numbers with and without borrowing. First, we take up the properties of subtraction. The first property is when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference or the answer is the number itself. For example, we have a number like 940 minus 0 is 940 itself. Suppose your teacher gives you 4 pencils and you love those pencils and you don't want to give it to anyone. So, you are left with 4. The next property is when we subtract the number from itself, the difference is 0. That means when we subtract the number from the number that is given, the answer is 0. Here 574 minus 574 gives you 0. Your mother gave you 2 cakes and you ate both the cakes and you are left with none. Now we come to subtraction of 3-digit numbers. You must have done subtraction in the previous classes also. Now let us see how much you remember. Here we have 3-digit numbers, 693 minus 341. So we will remember that we have to begin the subtraction from the ones place. The number in the ones place here is 3 minus 1. So the answer is 2. The next is 9 minus 4 and the answer is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer we get is 352. This is easy. Now we take another number, 734 minus 517. Now here we see that 4 is smaller than 7. So we cannot subtract 7 from 4. So we need to borrow 1 from the tens place and make it 14. Since we have borrowed ones from the tens place, 3 has to be written as 2. And now let us subtract. 14 minus 7 gives you 7. 2 minus 1 gives you 1. 7 minus 5 gives you 2. So we get the answer as 217. Now let us come to the 4-digit numbers. 9485 minus 3205. So where do we begin from? We begin from the ones place. In the ones place, 5 minus 5, which is also a property of subtraction, if you remember, a number subtracted from the same number, the answer we get is 0. 8 minus 0. This is another property of subtraction. Where we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. So it is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 9 minus 3 is 6. So the answer we get is 6,280. Let's take another example where we have to borrow. Now we take a number 6,423 minus 5,689. So here again we begin from the ones place. Here we see 9 is greater than 3. So we cannot subtract 9 from 3. We need to borrow from the tens place and write it as 13. And we subtract 9 from 13 and the answer we get is 4. Now we see the number in the tens place has decreased by 1. And so we are left with 1. We cannot subtract 8 from 1. So we again need to borrow 1 from the hundreds place and make it 11. And then subtract 8 from 11 and write it as 3. Here we are left with 3 because we have already given 1 to the tens place, and we find 6 is greater than 3 and we cannot subtract 6 from 3. So again we need to borrow from the thousands place and write it as 13. Now we subtract 6 from 13 and the answer is 7. Here in the thousands place we are left with 5 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So this is all about subtraction, borrowing and without borrowing. Now try to do the worksheet that has been given neatly in your classwork notebook.